couldn't ask for better weather. Terrain was just about perfect. And even with the few little issues that we had, again, it's still a fantastic day of riding. What's the saying? A bad day of riding is better than a good day at work. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If you want to chat with us, leave a comment. We love hearing from you all. And as always, if you're not subscribed to this new channel, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps us out, and I really love the channel growth that we're having here lately. And as always, get out there, get riding. Let's save these 4 quads. Well, we were already calling it a day, but we're coming down that last little hill.